Dugal Visual Solutions CEO Mike Dugal is taking the news of Eastman Kodak's bankruptcy in stride. His company is one of the largest professional users of Kodak's products, but he is confident he can still count on Kodak.
We don't feel that our relationship with Kodak's going to be affected. We have spoken with them as soon as the news became larger, and we talked about potential inventory issues, and they assured us that there will be none.
The bankruptcy filing was not a surprise. Kodak hasn't made a yearly profit since 2007 and has been shedding workers. Ironically, it was Kodak that first invented the digital camera, but its failure to fully capitalize on the new technology is often blamed for its downfall.
They were making so much money and being so successful with the film and all the analog photography that perhaps they could have more aggressively went into digital, being they invented it.
Instead, Kodak put digital innovation on the back burner, allowing rivals to take market share. Now the company is looking to sell over 1,000 digital patents as part of the bankruptcy. It is a true reversal of fortune for a company founded back in 1880. Brian Wallace is the chief curator at the International Center of Photography.
It really signals the end of analog photography in a pretty definitive way. The end has been kind of slow in coming, but certainly since about 2000, digital photography has really taken precedence.
Kodak has financing to keep it operating during the bankruptcy process, which it expects to complete in 2013. Bobby Rebell, Reuters.